Start your morning with a burst of sunshine. This creamy, zesty orange oatmeal is refreshing and so comforting. To a pan, add 1 cup of oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and a pinch of salt. Toast everything for 2 to 3 minutes to bring out that warm and nutty aroma. Next, pour in 1 cup each of fresh milk and water. You can use 2 cups of either depending on how creamy you like it. Give it a good mix, then cook over medium heat for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until soft and silky. For that amazing citrus twist, add freshly grated orange zest, a splash of orange juice, and a drizzle of raw honey for sweetness. Mix until everything comes together into a fragrant golden ball. Serve your zesty oatmeal hot, topped with juicy orange slices for a quick, healthy breakfast that tastes like sunshine in a bowl. And if you're more of a cinnamon fan, check out my apple cinnamon oatmeal recipe next. See you there.